this case should never have come to trial. The state has not produced one iota of medical evidence that the crime Tom Robinson is charged with ever took place. Instead, it has relied upon the testimony of two witnesses, whose testimony has not only been called into question on cross-examination, but has been flatly denied by the defendant. Now, Mayella Ewell committed no crime. She is a victim of cruel poverty and ignorance. But I will not allow pity to go so far as to place that man's life at stake. Now, Mayella Ewell has committed no crime. She has merely broken a time-honored code so severe that one who breaks it is hounded from our midst as unfit to live with. Now, what did she do? What did she do? She tempted a Negro man. She had to put Tom Robinson away from her. Tom Robinson was the daily reminder of what she did. And guilt motivated her. Now, you've heard from the witness for the state, except for the witnesses for the sheriff of Lincoln County, who in the cynical confidence are sure that they will not be doubted. In the summation, evil summation, that all Negroes lie. All Negroes are basically immoral beings. All Negroes cannot be trusted around our women. One so humble, so quiet, so respectable Negro had the unmitigation temporarily to feel sorry for a white woman has now had to put his word against. Now, in this country, in our courts, they are the great levelers. In our courts, all men are created equal. I'm not an idealist to believe firmly in our court system and of our jury system. That is no ideal to me. This is a living, working reality. Now, I am confident that you will review without passion the evidence that you have heard and restore Tom Robinson to his family. In the name of the Almighty, do your duty. In the name of the Almighty, believe Tom Robinson.